All right, guys, you see the title in the thumbnail, and you can tell just by looking at it, we about to do something different today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this Cheddar Bay ground beef cobbler. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's go over our ingredients real quick. Back here, we have our Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix right here. If you don't have that, you can use biscuit, but this right here works a lot better because of the cheese infusion. Ground beef. Right here I have some Colby Jack cheese. Now you can use cheddar cheese as well, but I had some Colby Jack that I need to get rid of. So I got Colby Jack, milk, onions, melted butter, smoked paprika, W sauce, black pepper, chopped garlic, some frozen mixed vegetables here. Now if you just want to use corn, you can, or just peas, you can, totally up to you. This is the seasoning packet that comes with the Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, salt, cream of mushroom, and beef broth right there. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna start preparing our ground beef. We're gonna add this to our pan, and we're gonna get this broken up as we go. And we're gonna cook this until it's brown and no more pink left. All right, after about a couple of minutes, we're gonna add our onions, and we're gonna mix our onions into our ground beef mixture and continue to cook it until it's brown. Once our beef is brown, we're gonna go in with our garlic, and we're gonna cook this for an additional minute. All right, so after that additional minute, we're gonna turn our heat down to low, and we're gonna go in with our cream of mushroom soup. I'm trying to remember, did I say we had cream of mushroom soup? I know it was in the shop, but I can't remember saying it now. Our mixed vegetables, our beef broth, W sauce, black pepper, salt, and our smoked paprika. We're gonna give this a mix, get this all mixed in. I'm gonna add a little bit more beef broth. Since we're gonna put this in the oven, I don't want it to dry up too much. All right, now we're gonna go in with our cheese. We're gonna get that mixed in. So now we're just gonna let that sit right there. We're gonna head back over to our cutting board and prepare our biscuit mix. You guys have been asking for this for a very long time, and I am so grateful for your support that my highly anticipated cookbook, Still Not a Chef, is available for pre-orders. It's relaxed, it's flavor forward, and it's made for people who just love good food. Pre-orders are open now, link in the description. All right, so now we're gonna start making our biscuit mix. And we're gonna start off by adding our milk here to our Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, along with our cheese. And we're gonna give this a good mix. And we just wanna mix it enough just to combine it. I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. So far, this is like 1 3/4 cups of milk. You don't want it too milky, but you also don't want it too thick as well. This right here for me is the right consistency that I'm looking for. All right, so now let's set this aside. We're gonna bring over our baking dish. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grease our pan with a little butter. I don't have any cooking spray, but I still had a little melted butter right here. So I'm gonna put that at the bottom of the pan, spread it around and on the sides. That should be good, just like that. We're gonna take our ground beef mixture and we're just gonna add it here to the bottom of the pan. And we're just gonna get this spread out evenly, just like this. And we're gonna come across that with the remaining of our cheese. Yes, guys, I told you, this baby gonna be cheesy. So next we're gonna start pouring our biscuit mixture across our pan. I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to not do it that way and just add me some scoops of biscuit mix like this. I think I'm gonna go this way. Of course, guys, you could do it however you wanna do it. You know that mix is gonna spread anyway, where it's gonna cover the entire pan anyway. But the key is that you want to pour it over there and you don't want to kind of like mix it in. If you pour it over it, don't try to level it out. This worked out well. Put that little part over there in the corner. I've already preheated our oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna get this in the oven and let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Let's get it in the oven. So while our cobbler is cooking, we're gonna prepare our garlic butter sauce. Guys, I would not skip this step. This adds so much flavor. So we're gonna take the seasoned packet out of our Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, and we're gonna add it here to our melted butter, and we're gonna add a little parsley. And all we're gonna do is get this baby mixed up. And I can see where I can add a little garlic here too, granulated garlic. Let's get that mixed in here. You know, guys, I'm a caller audible all the time, especially when I think I can enhance that flavor. Now we got something special right there. All right, so we're gonna sit this aside, wait till our cobbler is done, and we're gonna come back. All right, so after about 28 minutes in the oven, this is what we have, man. Take a look at that, man. That looks so good. It smells good. And now what we're gonna do is top it off with that garlic butter sauce, man. And there you have it, guys. Cheddar Bay beef cobbler. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and dive into it and get into quality control. All right, so it's quality control time. We're gonna bring these to the front of the congregation. These, man, these Cheddar Bay biscuits. All right, man, let's get some of this biscuit plus the ground beef. Oh, man. Oh, man. This baby's so biscuity. Guys, I'm in Cheddar Bay heaven. Fire. Nothing else to say. So, guys, until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.